you guys, it's Mia and I'm back with another video for you guys today. But before we get to the video, please be sure to subscribe, okay, if you're new here, because why ain't you subscribed, girl? We doing giveaways around here. Anyway, y'all, we're here for a unboxing video. Yes, this is for my new lamp. If you guys want to see how I like it, how I unbox it and everything, just keep on watching. Now, I know this is an unboxing video for a new lamp, but before we get to unboxing it, I have to clean my area, okay? Because I did have clients, and don't mind me, I'm just waddling around looking like a little turtle or something. All I know is, girl, you look swole, and I'm not though. Anyway, y'all, don't pay attention to my apron, honey. I like to have it loose. I know now I don't like that no more. That's how I be looking, but I be comfortable, y'all. Anyway, y'all see me wiping everything down. That was my old lamp. She has to go. She's been with me since the beginning, y'all. She started from the bottom with me, okay? Yes, but as you can see, I'm just making sure I take everything off. Again, I had clients, making sure I clean up my dust collector, vacuum all that up. All right, and I'm gonna give it a good wipe down with my EPA, and I'm also going to be taking some of like the dried up glue or acrylic or anything that gets on my desk. I like to put acetone on it, like pour some acetone on my desk, and I like to kind of get like a blade of some sort and kind of scrape it off, which in turn has kind of like ruined my desk, but that shield honestly has ruined my desk. I needed it during the pandemic because everybody was coughing and sneezing and I didn't want to get sick, and I will say that shield has saved me because I have not been sick, thank the Lord. But yeah, that's all I'm going to be doing. Okay, this is the box that it came in, and before I get to unboxing it, no, this is not sponsored. I had to buy this on my own with my own monions, honey. I had to spend my own money on this, okay? I know a lot of influencers, nail girls get stuff for free. I am not at that point. I'm gonna be honest, baby. This is all my money going into this stuff, okay? I moved y'all closer so y'all can be able to see how everything looks. Okay, it came with a clip, of course, that you can mount on your desk, but obviously y'all can see my desk ain't made for that, okay? But y'all gonna see how I'm gonna try to put it on. I did have a base from a previous lamp. I'm gonna talk about that later. But I did end up having to improvise and use something else. I had to use this little side table and mount it on there. But yes, I do like the lamp so far. It was pretty well packaged. No dings or anything. And I actually really like just how wide the lamp is. I seen the oval ones from this brand, but I also was seeing negative reviews for the oval ones specifically. Some people were having really good reviews. Some people were like, well, I only used the light for a month and it went out, right? At this point, I've had this lamp, I would say, for over a month, if I'm not mistaken, and it's worked fine for me. Yeah, it turns on properly, the buttons work properly, and I pray that it continues to do so. But yes, as you can see right here, that base was from a past lamp that I had. So I had a black lamp and that other white lamp, but that black lamp, it just went out on me, so I was struggling and only working with that white lamp, and it only did so much, which I'm going to demonstrate. But yes, I tried to put this lamp on that little base and I thought it was gonna work. I thought I had figured it out, honey, but I didn't. And I'm gonna show y'all what I did instead. Look at me just struggling, y'all. I'm just so determined to make this work until I said, you know what, this ain't gonna work. Let me take this thing off. Now, this is the little table I was talking about. Okay, this is like a little side table so I can have like extra place to just sit things, and I decided that I'm gonna also mount my light to it and see how that works. But that table is such a little flimsy little thin little table. I did have to add some weight to the bottom of it so it won't tilt over, because she just, this lamp, she's a big girl. She's a big back girl, you know. Shout out to all the big back girls out there. You know, you're needed in this world, honey. Anyway, yeah, look at her. She just perched, looking good. Y'all, when I say I really do enjoy this light, and I'm so happy that I purchased this light, and it was all worth it. The struggle of the setup. Look at this. Look at me. Back hurting, shoulders hurting. Regardless of the back and shoulders hurting, I still got the result. I got the result I was looking for, y'all. Yes. Yes, I love this lamp. I love this lamp so much. I wanted to use my base, but as you seen earlier, this is too heavy for that base, so I just clamped it to this side table that I have. This table I bought from Amazon, just like I bought this lamp and this light from Amazon. And I bought it so I can afford, so I can get back to recording my videos, because I had 2 lights, which is where this base came from, was an old light, and I wanted to keep the base just in case I could use it. But apparently, I think I could, but I would have to put something weighted on it. And it's honestly a hassle, so no, I'm just not gonna use it. But luckily, I did have this table. I did have the table to mount it on, and I like it. I might end up repositioning some stuff. This is a very small and honestly kind of flimsy table. As you can see, it's kind of teetering because of the weight of this. But the desk, if it does decide to lean over, this part is against my desk. So, yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. And honestly, if I really wanted to weigh this down some more, I could just add like a box of supplies or something to it. But yes, you guys, I love this lamp. Now, hopefully it does last for a long time, because of the fact that I was doing a little bit of research. I did see some negative reviews, but not about this one specifically. The one that kind of looks like an oval from this same brand is the one that I've seen with like negative reviews. But hopefully it works out well. I pray it does. This lamp was $145. So yeah, it's gonna have to work. I pray it does. Now here's a little on and off. So the CCT, I guess it's like color control. So we can make it more cool with the blue light, or you can make it more yellow or warm with the negative button. And the lumens is to up the brightness. As you can see, it's all the way down. All right, it's still on, but it's all the way down. And this is all the way up. This is on a warmer setting. Is on the coolest setting. Now, would I have wanted it to be probably a little brighter? I don't know. Probably. I won't know until I have somebody in here and I'm actually actively working. So I will give you guys an update. I really love this lamp though. I love how it looks. I decided to get black because let me show y'all my white lamp that I've had since I started. Don't mind my mess because I am cleaning. But look, y'all. Look at this. Acetone, all kinds of stuff, all this. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get a black lamp. I'm just gonna get black. Same thing with my desk, my Valentino Beauty desk. I should have got a black desk because I don't know, I love my white desk. Don't get me wrong, it's very pretty. It goes with the aesthetic, the vibes. But I do feel like I probably should have got a black one. I will say if I do replace this desk, it's gonna be a black desk. Because look, everything gets on white. You can see everything. Like spill stuff, it gets all over this. Anyway, back to the lamp. But yes, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna have to see how it's gonna work, especially with me recording and whatnot. So I might end up moving this portion over or back a little bit so I can actually set up my recording and see how it works out. Stay tuned for that. I have my light off, my room light. It's off. And I'm gonna do a test. This is my old lamp. I have that one on, okay? And y'all see how bright that is. Not very bright at all. Now, I turn that one off. That is such a huge difference. Huge difference. Turn that one off. You see that? Now, leave that one on. And turn that one on. Still very bright. Yes. I'm happy with my purchase. Very happy with my purchase. If you guys want this lamp, I will leave the link down below in the description box. And yeah, that'll be all for today. The next video will be the official announcement for the requirements of the giveaway. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. I'm deciding.